Bruxism is usually referred to as teeth grinding, and it is a common dental problem for most people. In fact, most people don't realize they have the problem because they usually grind their teeth when they are sleeping. Signs of teeth grinding include worn down teeth and popping during palpation of the TMJ. The patient may have symptoms such as sore muscles of the jaw, toothaches, and headaches upon waking up in the morning. The patient may also experience pain in or around the ear or have difficulty opening the mouth wide.